Hello everyone, Piotr is here, and in today's video I will show you something interesting from my perspective at least, but I hope that for you too, something interesting in Azure related to infrastructure as a code. So if you are in Azure Portal, like we are already, if you will go into any resource and into automation part, you have the tab called Export Template. And here in Export Template, you can just generate or get the ARM template for the resource that you are checking. So if you are managing your infrastructure with code, then you can just take that code and put this more or less, of course, because you need to do some adjustments and so on and so forth. So you can put those codes into your repository, into your pipeline, and just try to deploy. Of course, you need to parameterize that, make required adjustments and so on. So it's okay, but it's so useful, especially when you are working with some existing infrastructure and you are trying to start manage that with code. So it's so useful. Or if some parameters are not clear for you, so you can check them from that perspective. So it's so nice to use. But I don't know if you know, but Azure Portal has its own preview stage for features that are in public preview. So we as users, we can go there and look what's going on there, and we can test those features. So if you will go, let's switch into that preview portal. So it's rc.portal.azure.com. So if we are in the same page, export template for the Azure resource, now you can see that we have three tabs there: ARM template, Bicep, and Terraform. So it means that now we can generate ARM template as it was. We can try to generate Bicep, like here we have, sorry for that Grammarly tab, and here we have Terraform. We have some errors, but it's okay because it's in preview, so it has the possibility to not work properly, but still it shows that they are working on auto generation code for the resource in Bicep and in Terraform. And I think that you see that it's so useful, especially especially when you are working with the existing infrastructure and you are trying to redo this in code. So yeah, cannot wait when it will be in GA because it's so interesting feature from my perspective, and it's so useful regarding area of work with infrastructure as infrastructure as a code. So yeah, in this short video, I hope it's interesting for you. So this kind of cases we will talk within my new project called TitansForge, because as I said, I think that strong technical skills with proper mindset is the key. So in TitansForge, I would like to create that space where we will be able to work on those two things in parallel. So yeah, that's the technical part of this community, I would say, of this project. I prefer to name that as project for now. So feel invited for the webinar titansforge.link/intro, where I will describe more information. It's on Monday, 21st October at noon CET time. So here I will just explain more details about TitansForge. And that's it for today from my side. I hope you enjoyed that video, that quick tip, and I hope to see you on the webinar. Cheers!